Hey, y'all, it is cold, it is rainy, it is wet, but we're out here sending out some medium-sized baits to the moon, baby. One goal, catch a big catfish, potentially a cold weather gar. It would be pretty awesome, but slim. Well, here we go, y'all. To the moon. Can't believe I got that around those trees.
That was a really good cast.
That's a pretty good catch for being in the trees. Okay, we got line number 2. We are just throwing out chunks of carp right now. We do have some mullet and some buffalo. That was not the best, but we're good. Okay, y'all, we brought our tiny ice rod, small bobber, small hook, and we brought some live worms. We are gonna try to catch some live bait. We are drifting this way, so we're going over there. Okay. Bro, I'm on. Oh, I'm stuck in a tree. I'm stuck in a tree.
You were definitely stuck in a tree.
What is it?
It's a bluegill.
Oh, get it, bro. Get it out of that tree.
Bro, he's gonna be fine. It's a beautiful one.
I want to use it as bait. Hold that. Hold that.
You know, he's there. I'm not gonna pull. I'm just gonna hold it.
Yeah, it's really light line.
Alright, these almost out. Don't get someone.
Okay, we got him.
That's funny, dude. I'm falling asleep in the kayak.
We got fish on, but skunks off the boat, bro.
Dude, that's a.
Oh, that is so pretty. All right, y'all, we have one small live bluegill, and we are gonna send out.
Sure, that's a catfish for sure. No. Oh, his gill is clapped. Look at the other side.
Yeah, something got a chunk of him. All right, so we did have a couple hits on the carp and on the bluegill, but nothing else. Spent about an hour at that spot. We are paddling away. Spot number 2 coming up. Yeah, we have made it to spot number 2. We are actually gonna tow our lines out. This is a big chunk of the river. We're gonna tow them out into the middle, drop them down deep. The theory with catfishing in the wintertime, which it is that they go into the deep holes. We can't cast that far, but we got the yaks. Let's go drop some bait, y'all. It's not every day you tow your baits out to the river. That's what we're doing today, y'all. Tough conditions require extra effort. This is also the sunniest it's been all day. I'm just gonna drop that one right there, y'all. Leave the bail open. Take this one. And we're gonna cast it over there. There we go. The trick is to not tangle the two lines as we go back. And this one, we just have a piece of carp on there with a weight, and we're gonna throw this one a little more shallow, not quite shallow. We'll say mid-river on that one. And now, any good catfishing day, it's a waiting game. Oh, I knew that drag was loose. I knew that drag was loose. Come on, dude. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Come on. He's giving me some good head shakes. Same thing, man. It was a really light bite, and then he kind of went, and luckily I was holding it, so right when he went, I was able to reel down on him. And I don't think this one's a monster or nothing. I think it's a good one, yeah. Yeah. No, that's on, yeah, that was on the carp. Wow, dude, is that a channel cat? Is that a channel cat? Does he? Okay, I was like, man, that's gonna be a big, if that was a channel, it would have probably been my PB channel, dude. There we go. Nice. Good size blue cat. I mean, that, if you're filleting them to take home, that's your fillet size right there. Hell yeah. Let's send her back. Boom. Yeah. Bro, I'm on. Yeah, the big bait way out there, man. Yeah. He's not running, but he's on it. It's a big J hook, so I'm gonna have to hook set him. Yeah, he's going now. Okay, I'm just gonna have to drop the hammer on him, man.
I'll let you a little bit more than go for it, but up to you.
Well, he took it pretty far out there, man. Did he drop it though? It's a weird, whatever's going on is weird, man. Like he pulled on it and then he stopped with it, and I could feel him bouncing with it, and then he moved with it.
He went way to the right, right?
Yeah, he took it way to the right. I still feel something though. I'm kind of waiting for him to give me a tug and then set on him. Because it's a J hook, it's not a circle hook. God damn, dude. It's heavy.
That's definitely a fish, I hope.
I don't know. I mean, it could be a log. I don't think it's a fish, man.
It's moving, man. It's moving to the right.
Whatever that is heavy, dude.
You want me to reel another one, or you're gonna...
I don't think it's a fish, man.
Dude, don't tell me it's in, bro.
Damn, dude, it is. That is some
Dude, that
weight.
is ending.
I mean, it could be a fish. It could be a log. It's a tree. No, dude, there's something on it. There's something on it. There's a fish on it. There's a fish on it with the log. There we go. Can you, never mind.
Go over.
Oh, there we go, bro. There we go. There we go.
Good. Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, he's wrapped.
Oh.
That is a good catfish. Oh, I wasn't sure it was a fish at first. Hell yeah. Come out here in the rainy, cold weather and you get a fish this size. That's a good day, Dad. That's a good day.
Finally.
If you like that, hit that like button. I'm gonna go ahead and send this behemoth back to the depths. All right, y'all, that was a really good catfish, and it was such a weird fight. And the whole time I wasn't even sure there was a fish on there. I thought maybe it was a turtle, but it really felt like a log, and it felt like a log. because I was dragging up a log with it. But I'll be honest, I have that on my gar rig. So this is the Spin Fisher reel. So it's super heavy duty. This is my gar line. So this is a 150-pound line. And this Hellcat rod is rated for 20-ounce weights. It's an extra heavy. I honestly don't think I would have pulled up that fish with the tree branches if I was not using that rig. I don't think my other pens or my Cast King with the 50-pound line would have really held up against the fish and the tree. Damn, I got lucky on that, man. I really did. Those Hellcat rods, I absolutely love them. If you want to get one, you can use my code BITES10 on their website and you get an extra 10% off. They are a beast of a rod and I love them. Okay, y'all, fingers crossed we get one more good fish. Okay, y'all, so we still have our little ice rod, but we have put a small 2-ounce pyramid weight and we still got our night crawlers going. We're gonna throw this out there so we can catch some fresh bait, even though we have a whole bucket of frozen bait. Winter days, generally long and slow, few fish, but generally the fish you catch are good sized fish. Fingers crossed, y'all. Yeah, something picked up. Oh, the mini rod, picked up the mini rod. Oh, dude.
Yeah, now we throwing him right out there.
Oh, we're putting him out there. We're putting him out there. Oh, we got fresh bait, Dad. Oh, fresh bait. We had a couple more bites, but no more fish. We gotta get out of here before it gets dark. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you on the next video.